Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope that all are fine. Today, we are going to start our first chapter. The name of the chapter is Our Wonderful Body. In this chapter, we are going to learn about external and internal body parts. Internal organs, we cannot see them, and external body parts, we can see them. Now, you can see here, our body works like a machine. All the time, the body works like a machine. It has many parts that do different things. Machine is having different parts and also different things. In the same way, our body also works like a machine. We can divide our body part as external and internal organs. Our body divided into two parts, external and internal organs. I already told you, external means the body parts we can see them, and internal body parts means that is inside our body that we cannot see them. Now, here also, first telling about external organs. What are the external organs? The body parts which we can see in our body, such as head, eyes, ears, tongue, hands, legs, etc. are called external organs. Here it tells about external organs, means the body parts which we can see in our body, such as. Now it tells about what are the external organs: head, eyes, ears, tongue, hands, legs. These all the body parts we can see with our eyes. Here you can see head, eyes, ears, nose, legs. These are the external body parts, means we can see them. Now, we already learned there are two parts of our body, external and internal body parts, and now we already learned about external body parts, and here we have to learn about internal organs. The organs which are inside our body are called internal organs. Okay, the organs which are inside our body parts is called internal organs. Now what are they? They are brain, heart, stomach, lungs, etc. Okay, now we learnt about internal organs that is inside our body and we cannot see them. First internal body part is lungs. We breathe through our lungs. They fill up with air when we breathe in. The lungs and the heart lie in the chest. Okay, you can see here about lungs. We breathe through our lungs, or in the same way they fill up with air when we breathe in. The lungs and the heart lie in the chest. Lungs means breathe in and breathe out. Here, breathe in and breathe out. You can see here two children are standing and one is taking breathing and another one is breathing out. Then the lungs get bigger. Okay, then after that the lungs get smaller. You can see here the air comes out of your lungs. Okay, then you can blow or you can fill the air in the balloon. You can see here a boy is filling air in the balloon. Breathe out. After that, you can see here the blow out candles. That time also need air to blow out candles. The air comes out of your lungs. Okay, first the air comes out of your lungs. And next internal body part is heart. The heart is one of our important part of our body. The heart is the one of our important part of our body. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. What is the main works of heart? The heart is one of the most important part of our body, and in the same way it pumps blood to all parts of our body. Already said about blood pumps blood to all our parts of our body. And you know what is the sound of heartbeat? What is the sound of our heartbeat? The sound of our heartbeat is lup tup, lup tup. Now it also tells that I have a pump. Why? The heart has a pump to supply the blood to all the parts of our body, pushing blood through your body. You can see here it is placed there, the heart, and from the heart there are many veins are there in our body and pushing blood through our body. And next one, the internal body part is brain. The brain helps us to think and do our work. Now it tells about the main work of the brain is help us to think and do our head. The head protects the brain, that is inside our head. The head protects the brain, otherwise it will get damaged. You can see here head to toe the blood is pumping. The heart is pumping blood to all the parts, head to toe. Or I am pink and wrinkled. What is the shape of wrinkle? This is the shape called a wrinkle. This is the shape. Okay, this is the shape of wrinkled. I control your body and thoughts. Okay, all the thoughts and your body also controlling. Next internal body part is stomach. The stomach is below the chest. Where it lies, that is below the chest, and it looks like a bag. The shape of the bag stomach is looks like a bag. The food we eat goes into the stomach. The stomach helps us to digest the food. Okay, whatever you take, the food goes into the stomach, and the stomach also helping us to digest that food. Now, what happens in my mouth after taking the food? It goes into the stomach. Crush the food, swallow the food. After that, it goes into your stomach only. And at last, tells about bones and muscles. That also internal body parts. Now, till now, we already learned the internal body parts of brain, lungs, heart, stomach. Okay, here you can see bones and muscles. Apart from these, we have bones and muscles. Bones give shape to our body and help us to stand up straight. Muscles are attached to bones. They help us walk and run and smile. Here it is given about bones and muscle, that also internal body parts. Bones give shape to our body. Okay, bones giving shape to our body and also helping us to stand straight. Okay, and muscles are attached to bones and also helping us to walk and run. Okay, now these are the contents of the first chapter, Our Wonderful Body. Learn at least 5 or 6 parts of internal or external body parts. Okay, learn the internal and external body parts and read this chapter 2-3 times, then only you will understand. Okay, study well, enjoy your day, have a nice day. Thank you.